Sumpay sa ebanghelyo kagahapon ang atong ebanghelyo karon. Kung gahapon atong gipamalandungan nga ang buot ni Jesus mao nga atong butangan og pag-undang, no? Put a stop to the evil deeds. Mao to siya gahapon nga ang mata bayrag mata, ang ngipon bayrag ngipon, apan miingon si Jesus ayaw panimalos. So, put an end to that evil act. Karon miingon siya nga, kaniadto giingon, higugmaa ang imong mga higala, dumki ang imong mga kaaway. Karon miingon si Jesus, higugmaa ang iyong mga kaaway. So, giablihan niya ang atong panabot nga kining paghigugma o kining gugma is not exclusive for those people who are good to us. Ang gugma nga iyang gisugo kanato includes those people who are harsh, who are brutal to us, those people who hurt us, those people who condemn us. These are included in the command to love. Na kung ingon niini, atong giputol ang gitawag nato nga hate. Kanya to nga higugmaa ang imong mga higala. Hate your enemies. Now, Jesus would like us to put an end to this hate. So, if we have enemies or if we have some people who offended us, let us put a stop of the word hate. And how to put a stop of this hate? We have to love. So, the opposite of hate is love. Mao na gisugo sa Ginoo aron nga ang gugma motuhop sa kasing-kasing. Kung ang tinuod nga diwa sa gugma motuhop sa kasing-kasing sa tao, kanang maong tao dili magpabilin sa iyang sinful life. Kung dili maningkamot gayud siya nga mahimong different person. So kanang mga offenders, kanang mga gitawag natong nakasala nato, kung ang tinuod nga gugma motuhop na sa kasing-kasing nila, sila mahimong bag-ong tao, dili na magpadayon sa ilang mga daotang binuhatan. Now, gusto sa Ginoo nga dili ta manundog unsay standard sa kalibutan. Unsa day standard sa kalibutan? Kung ayaw mo sa akin, bahala ka, ayaw ko rin sa iyo. Ang standard sa kalibutan, if you hurt me, I hate you. Ang standard sa kalibutan, kung nag-away ta, di ta magtingganay. That is the standard of the world. But what is the standard of Jesus? If someone quarreled against you, talk to that someone. If someone hurt you, forgive that someone. If someone disappointed you, love that someone. So, bawal ang standard sa Ginoo. Unya, we claim nga we believe in the Lord, but our actions tell us that we follow the standard of the world. Mabito na karon nga, in our society, daghan kayong away, daghang hatred, binatuhay og fake news, binatuhay og kanang panaway, binatuhay tanan nga mga hugaw, ibato, mubaws pod ang pikas. Why? Because we follow the standard of the world. But we claim that we are a Christian country, but we do not follow the standard of the Lord. So, karon at nagipainom ta sa atong gospel na to follow the standard of the Lord rather than following the standard of the world. Na kung ingon niini, if you love your enemies, you put an end of the power of their words, of the power of their actions over you. When you are pushed to take revenge, when you are pushed to hate your enemy, take note. Their words, their actions are powerful over you. Nakulong ka sa kanilang kapangyarihan. So, mao na siya nga, kanang ang tao nga gibuhatag dili maayo, ang tao nga gisaway, ang tao nga gilibak, ang tao nga na mubaws gani ka in the same way sa ilang gibuhat nimo, nakulong ka, nabilanggo ka sa ilang power. They are powerful over you. But when you don't take their actions, when you don't respond to their actions in the manner that they did it, you respond it with love, you respond it with prayer, then you break their power. So, matutanawon nga, standard of the Lord, love your enemy. Standard of the world, hate those who hurt you. Hate those enemies. But for the Lord, love and do good and pray for them. So in that way, Jesus would like us to put a stop of hatred. Nganong puno ang kalibutan sa hatred, tungod kay bisan kita nga mo claim nga we are believers and followers of Jesus, we also become imprisoned in the power of the words, in the power of the acts of people who hurt us. Muna nga, until now, even our childhood hurts, until now we carry it, and we don't like to forgive those people. Kumao ni mga kigsuunan, kulang-kulang pa ang atong pag-claim nga kita followers of Jesus. So kapahinumdum ka nato karon, mao man di ay nga ang mando sa Ginoo atong buhata, atong hatagan og katapusan kanang hatred. So how do we put an end to hatred? Love. And love begets love. Even if it takes time to love, but kung dunay effort to love, there is always an effect. Bisan pa man og dugay og hinay ang effect. But to love our enemy, it is not about them, but it is about you. To love them, to love your enemies, to love those who hate you, is not about them. It is all about you, who you are. I love my enemy, I forgive my enemy because I am a Christian. I am a follower of Jesus. I love not because they are deserving of my love. I pray not because they are deserving of my prayers, but I pray because by doing it, I love, because by doing it, I make it that I am a follower of Christ. I am making it sure that I am Jesus' follower. And as Jesus' followers, let us follow the standard of the Lord, not the standard of the world.